Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for clicking on this video today. Today's video is actually going to be a quick hair hack. I'm gonna show you guys how I get my lace wigs to look nice and natural and laid, hunty and slayed and all them someday. Just looking really natural, really nice. Not using any glue, any tape, nothing like that, honey. Using, of course, some good old Gorilla Snot gel. Alright, so it's a quick hair hack video. If you guys want to see, keep on watching, and please don't forget, hit that subscribe button and also thumbs up this video. Alright guys, so I'm starting off looking pretty bald and very naked faced, and that's because I have no makeup on. So I'm gonna first go in with some of this gel. So yeah, I'm wearing my wig cap. I just quickly applied some of the Gorilla Snot all around my edges very generously, applying a very generous amount because this is gonna help the wig to stick down. So I'm just applying it all around my edges. You guys see this consistency? This is what helps the gel to stick the wig to your head. So I'm just brushing that into my hairline to remove that yellow film masky look. Yeah, so you just want to brush that out. You want it to look as nice and natural as possible. So I'm just brushing that out. What I'm going to do is lift my wig cap and bring it forward over my forehead and just pull it back into place. This is going to help the hairs in the front to lay even more. So yeah, that's what you need. You need everything to look nice and natural. So then I'm just going to take my wig and put it on. Just put it on however you like. I'm trying, of course, to make sure that the part that I have is aligned with the part on the unit. As I said, this is the most natural method. You want it to look as natural as possible. So of course, aligning the part, making sure the wig is laid, and then I secure it in the back. And then I'm going to secure the lace portion to my own head using some more gel. So I'm of course applying another generous layer of the gel. And you don't really have to wait for it to dry, but you know, I'm applying a nice generous thick layer right under the flaps especially, and you can bring the gel forward to the front of your hairline. It doesn't really matter because it's going to dry down anyway. So as you can see here, I'm basically pulling those baby hairs forward so that they stick to the gel, and this is the trick portion of it, really, just to get everything to lay and stick to that gel so that it does not move. So I'm using my comb and just brushing it forward or combing it forward or whatever, making sure that everybody is laid down nice and tight. So yeah, I'm just basically doing this using whatever method I need to, just to make sure that everything is laying flat and just very laid, like flat as possible. After I feel like everything is tucked down, I'm going to go in with a scarf. I'm going to tie that down as tight as I possibly can without, of course, giving myself a headache, because you can get a headache from this, so please don't tie it too tight. So I'm just going to let that sit on my head while I do my makeup for a few minutes. It usually takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to complete my face. So after doing that, you know, pretty much your hair definitely has to be laid after that point, but as long as you can leave it on, go ahead and do that. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys my hairline. As you guys can see, it's stuck down to my head. This is pretty much how it looks. As you guys can see, it's very snug, definitely not going anywhere, and this is what you want, something that looks natural. Even by me pulling it back, it still looks very natural. Remember, all the details on this hair will be left down below in the description bar, as well as the link will be on your screen right now. Another trick that you can do is just take the hair that is at the edge of the closure, pull it forward, and push the rest of the hair behind your ear, and that gives you also a very natural laid, like lace front look. Yeah guys, but this is basically it. This is all there is to this hair hack. Hope you guys try it out. If you do try it out, don't forget to let me know down below in the comment section. And thanks so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.